Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC. This is faster than right-clicking the taskbar. Once Task Manager appears, make sure you expand to more details if it's compact so you can access File Run New Task. If User Account Control appears later, be ready to enter credentials. This prevents permission delays. Now go to File and select Run New Task to prepare launching Explorer. These first actions set up a direct, controlled way to restart or start File Explorer. In the Run New Task dialog, type Explorer. EXE, this calls the File Explorer process directly. Once typed, decide if you need elevated rights. Check Create this task with administrative privileges to ensure system-level access for certain recovery scenarios. If Explorer EXE fails to launch normally, try adding the full path like C, /Windows/Explorer, EXE to remove ambiguity. Then press Enter or click OK. You'll see the desktop and taskbar reload if Explorer starts. This step is the core action to get Explorer running again. After running Explorer EXE, confirm that File Explorer windows and the taskbar reappear. That indicates success. If nothing changes, don't panic. Open Task Manager again and stop any existing Explorer. EXE processes before rerunning the command, or reboot if the system is unresponsive. For persistent failures, run command prompt as administrator and use system checks like sfc/scano to repair corrupted files. One key troubleshooting tip: kill Explorer EXE and then start it from an elevated command prompt to bypass GUI permission quirks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.